The past is not erased. The failings and the pain, but I don't bear the weight. God has broken every chain. Reset my life, restore my soul, redirect my paths, my precious Lord, take control. I shall lay my head beside gentle streams, in the keeping of my Savior, under the shadow of His wings. I shall put my trust in His steadfast hand, on the love of my deliverer, on the path of my great King. My heart no longer